Traveling abroad and experiencing a new culture is an incredible, life-changing journey. But it's important to prepare for the challenges that come with it, and we're here to support you every step of the way. Before your trip, you'll complete our online volunteer training, which covers essential topics like health and safety best practices, navigating emergencies, and prioritizing your mental health and well-being. It also dives into understanding cultural differences, building meaningful relationships, and being a responsible, impactful volunteer. Once you're in country, our local teams ensure your group is fully supported by following robust health and safety practices. Together with our local teams, we conduct annual risk assessments to identify and manage potential hazards like accommodation and fire safety, health and well-being, risk of injury, transportation safety, crime or security concerns, and placement-specific risks. In case of emergencies, our local teams follow detailed incident management and reporting plans, and they're available to provide comprehensive support in case of emergency. While our local teams are in the best position to connect with local resources, our IVHQ campus and group staff are also ready to provide remote assistance if needed. For additional peace of mind, all volunteers are required to have travel insurance in place for their duration of their program. We carry indemnity and liability insurance to cover our employees, but this does not extend to participants. If insurance is not available through your institution, you'll have the option to purchase discounted travel insurance through CISI, our trusted third-party provider. Their policies include liability coverage of up to $500,000 US, and you can choose between standard or adventure plans to best fit your needs. When you arrive, you'll participate in an in-country orientation where the local team will guide you through health and safety protocols, local resources, cultural norms, navigating transportation, accommodation and placements expectations, and much more. As you work through your next steps, we're here to make sure you feel confident and supported every step of the way. Whether it's providing destination-specific risk assessments, an agreement template, our certificates of insurance, getting set up as a vendor for payment, or collaborating on contracts, we're happy to help. So if you have any follow-up questions or need assistance to meet your institution's requirements, please don't hesitate to reach out to our campus and group support team.